Beetroot, Beta vulgaris, is a root vegetable packed with bioactive compounds, essential vitamins, and minerals that make it a powerhouse of nutrition. From ancient times, beetroot has been revered for its medicinal properties, and modern scientific research continues to unravel its myriad health benefits across different age groups. The composition of beetroot includes dietary nitrates, betalains, polyphenols, fiber, vitamins A, C, and B complex, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. Its effects on human physiology span cardiovascular, cognitive, metabolic, and athletic performance enhancement. Beetroot and cardiovascular health. Beetroot has gained significant attention for its ability to lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and support heart health. The high nitrate content in beetroot is converted into nitric oxide, NO, in the body, which plays a crucial role in vasodilation, thereby reducing blood pressure. 1.1 Effect on hypertension. Studies suggest that consuming beetroot juice significantly lowers systolic and diastolic blood pressure, particularly in individuals with hypertension. The antihypertensive effect is more pronounced in middle-aged and older adults. 1.2 Impact on endothelial function. The endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, benefits from the nitric oxide produced from beetroot consumption. This enhances blood flow, reduces arterial stiffness, and improves overall vascular health, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and related disorders. 1.3 Beetroot and cholesterol. While beetroot does not directly lower LDL cholesterol, its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, preventing LDL oxidation, a crucial step in plaque formation in arteries. Beetroot and cognitive function. 2.1 Neuroprotection in aging populations. Cognitive decline is a common concern among older adults. Beetroot's nitric oxide boosting properties enhance cerebral blood flow, particularly in regions of the brain associated with executive function. Studies show that older adults consuming beetroot juice experience improved reaction time and working memory performance. 2.2 Effects on neurodegenerative diseases. Emerging research suggests that regular beetroot consumption may slow the progression of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing neuroinflammation and oxidative stress. 2.3 Beetroot and mental health. The presence of betalains and folate contributes to improved mood regulation by supporting neurotransmitter function, particularly serotonin production. This has implications for reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety across different age groups. Beetroot and athletic performance. 3.1 Endurance enhancement in young and middle-aged adults. Beetroot is a popular supplement among athletes due to its ability to increase oxygen efficiency. Studies show that beetroot juice supplementation enhances endurance exercise performance by reducing oxygen consumption at submaximal intensities. 3.2 Muscle recovery and fatigue reduction. The anti-inflammatory properties of betalains help in reducing muscle soreness post-exercise, making beetroot a valuable aid for recovery. 3.3 Strength and power output. Some evidence suggests that beetroot supplementation improves explosive power in high-intensity, short-duration activities such as sprinting and weightlifting. Beetroot and metabolic health. 4.1 Blood sugar regulation in diabetics. While beetroot has a moderate glycemic index, its fiber content slows glucose absorption, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. The nitrates in beetroot also enhance insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. 4.2 Effect on obesity. Beetroot's high fiber content promotes satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, its nitrate content supports mitochondrial efficiency, aiding in fat oxidation. 4.3 Beetroot and gut microbiome. The fiber in beetroot acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a role in overall metabolic health. Beetroot across different age groups. 5.1 Infants and young children. Beetroot is a nutritious addition to a child's diet, providing essential nutrients for growth. However, due to its nitrate content, excessive consumption should be avoided in infants under 6 months due to the risk of methemoglobinemia. 5.2 Adolescents and young adults. As this age group requires enhanced cognitive and physical performance, beetroot can support academic performance, energy levels, and sports endurance. 5.3 Middle-aged adults. This demographic benefits from beetroot's cardiovascular and metabolic health properties, particularly in managing blood pressure, improving circulation, and supporting cognitive function. 5.4 Elderly population. Older adults benefit significantly from beetroot's neuroprotective and cardiovascular effects, aiding in memory retention, cognitive function, and mobility by improving muscle oxygenation. Potential risks and considerations. 6.1 Oxalate content and kidney stones. Beetroot is high in oxalates, which may contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. Moderation is advised for those with a history of kidney stones. 6.2 Beeturia. The red pigments in beetroot can cause pink or red urine, a harmless condition known as beeturia. 6.3 Allergic reactions. While rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions such as itching or gastrointestinal discomfort. Conclusion: beetroot is a potent functional food with profound health benefits across all age groups. From enhancing cardiovascular health, boosting cognitive function, and improving athletic performance to regulating metabolic health, its bioactive compounds make it a valuable addition to the diet. While there are some considerations regarding oxalate content and nitrate sensitivity, the overall benefits of beetroot consumption far outweigh any minor risks. Integrating beetroot into daily nutrition, whether in juice, salads, or cooked dishes, can significantly contribute to overall well-being, particularly when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet.